So glucose and oxygen, that is what the plants, that's what plants make in the chloroplast. They make glucose and then they breathe out oxygen, and then that will be used by cells to make ATP. Now, again, this is used by all cells. All plant and animal cells will use the glucose to create energy, create ATP, using the glucose and the oxygen as well. And that is by the process of cellular respiration. So there's two very important processes to know for the Regents. One is photosynthesis, which we just did. And secondly, we now have cellular respiration. Now, again, all cells, plant or animal, they all have mitochondria. Here's the mitochondria. And what happens is the mitochondria will take in glucose and oxygen. Again, the glucose was made by the plant cell. So the plant or animal cell will take in the glucose and the oxygen that was created. And inside the mitochondria, it will take this glucose and oxygen. And again, the sun's energy was trapped inside of this glucose molecule. So the mitochondria, with the help of oxygen, will break apart this glucose molecule, releasing the energy from the sun and creating ATP, which is energy. Now, all cells need energy in order to function. So therefore, all cells have a lot of these mitochondria floating around. And that is able to take in the glucose and the oxygen and turn it into ATP energy that we see here. It also, as a byproduct, as a waste product, it also creates CO2 and water as well. And that is taken out of the cell. So you see the cycle. Oxygen is breathed out by the plant and then breathed in by us to create, with the glucose, to make the ATP, the energy. So, hi, this is Donnie Rudansky from Regents Made Simpler. And if you'd like that lesson, be sure to check out regentsmadesimpler.com, which is in the link in the description below. And you could purchase my full course for just $89 for the upcoming Regent exam. This is the only resource you need to do well on your upcoming New York State Regent exam. And in the course, you will get a 2-part Regents review of all the material you need to know in a simplified version, like you saw in that lesson. Plus, I have video review with visuals of past Regent exams. That is not just me explaining the material. That is also me, as you see in this picture, me with visuals explaining the correct answers and the incorrect answers as well. For just $89, that is less than one typical tutoring session. So you can go to regentsmadesimpler.com. That is in the link in the description below, and check it out. And if you scroll down, you could see the a preview of those Regent review courses and the video review of past Regent exams. Again, this is only for $89. That is less than one typical tutoring session, and you can get everything you need to know and learn everything in just 2 to 3 hours for your upcoming exam and do extremely well.